Hello, how are you? I'm glad to be back making another video, and this video is going to be about I've been asked, and I also see in group chats about the new kind of environments. It used to be the Windlights. Remember, before I also made a video where you were here adding a description for the Windlight, but now since last year things has changed, and I'm going to try to explain you the easy way, very quick way you can create your environments. Just a reminder, you need to be the owner of the land to be able to do these changes. And if you are renting a parcel, you can check if you can do these changes. If not, you can ask your landlord to inside the group set. Sorry, I had to pause because somebody came to uh, ring the bell. So I went to check. So I was saying, inside your back to the video, inside the group, in my case I have these two lands I'm going to rent, and for the group I made, I am going to allow the tenants to be able to do these modifications, because it's nice they have this option to edit their environment, modify environment settings, and they cycle. So if you are renting and not able to do this for the parcel, you can do settings to show only for yourself, and you can also do the settings so your visitors and other people can see the same setting you created for your parcel, your store, your land, etc. So I'm going to pass to you this page where you can change the difference between skies, water, and days. But now I'm going to tell you this is very simple way to do, and you can see inside your inventory. If you check this all items, you will find a new folder called settings, and as you can see it's empty now, and it's going to be empty for you. In this folder you are going to be editing your new environments. So where you have these environments, uh, inside below the main inventory you have this other folder, library. So if you open it below here, you find this new folder called environments. If you open here, you have here days, you have skies, textures. I'm going to show you these textures, and also water. So you are going to find, when you check the page, the days is the combination of the sky and the water, and you can set the amount of hours this day lasts, etc. I'm planning to make two videos. In this video I'm going just to explain you how to do quick the settings, and also you can create your own environments from scratch, and I'm going to be doing that for the second video because it takes time and I don't want to make the videos they last long. So you can find here skies, etc. And also you have here in your quick preferences personal lighting, but first you are able to see the old, you remember the old wind lights they were showing still there. So now I am using this NAM optimal skin and print. So for example, I if I want to change to cowl, for example, okay, I have changed this environment and it's showing for me now. So what happened if I'm going to fly my avatar and I'm going to enter this other parcel I own, nothing changed, and I came out to the region, no parcels here, and nothing is changing. That is a setting for me. It's just for me, and it's the one I'm going to be watching. It's very quick. You can be moving around with that environment, but what happens now if I come here to my uh, skies, for example, and and let me click this starlay settings. If I right click on this one, I can apply only to myself, is the same, or apply to parcel. If I apply to myself, let's see what happened. Okay, this is the starlay Windlight. If I go to this other parcel I own, you can see nothing is changing, the same as happened with the quick preferences. You see, nothing is happening because I am applying this only for myself. Is a fast way to do um, to set a environment just for you. This is just the sky. It's not a day, etc. It's just to move around, etc. But what happens if I the same? Since I am the owner of this land, I apply to parcel. Okay, now I click apply to parcel and check what is going to happen if I go out my parcel. See, now it's changing to the wind light or environment this parcel I own has, and if I move out my properties, my see, it is the region is going to change to the state settings. You know, all the regions, all the state has this setting and is changing. If I enter my parcel is going to change to the setting I have there, and if I enter my store, it's going to apply the starlay setting I did set. Okay, I need to pause again one moment. I am back, sorry. So this is all. If you need to do a quick and very fast parcel setting, you can just do this way. You can be checking here the different skies, etc. Right click on them and apply to parcel. Okay, but what happens if you want to edit one environment? You can do that. Listen, if you remember, we are inside the library, this folder. You can do from here, right click starlay settings, for example this one. I like this one and I want to edit, I want to add something else, just customize. I can, if I click here open, it's going to show me I can edit from here. So remember the other folder I show you first. I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to move over the main inventory, and I'm going to click here and I'm going right click and paste here. So if I right click here, this Windlight I like, but I want to change things, etc. Now inside here, if I click open, now it's opening. So remember your skies, etc., must be here. If you are customizing, creating, you can also create from here, but I'm going to do that for the next video. If you right click here, you can create from scratch a new sky, new water, new day cycle, etc., but that is for the other video. We are going to be doing that. So for now we are going to see these edit options very fast, very quick. So you have here settings like haze. You can be changing, playing with them, what they do. See, let me scroll out. Moisture, droplet, etc. You are also here. You have the ice level, density multiplier. Look, distance, gamma. This is for more brightness or less brightness, maximum altitude. You can be playing with the settings, and here you can change also the colors. For example, let's see if I come here. Well, okay, let's go one by one. Here you can change the colors. And also can play, look for another color. As you can see, I am moving something you like. Cancel the blue horizon. Also you can change it. Play with it, do what you want, etc. And here, this one, the blue density is, you can make it more night, or you can make it day. You are editing these starlight settings you found, and also you can add clouds here, cloud coverage. If you move here, see, it's going to show clouds, the scale, and also here you can make it bigger, the moon. Also you can more brightness, play with the clouds. If you want to change the texture, you can click here. And remember these environments, I told you these textures, I'm going to show you later. It has textures like different kind of cloud. Can change the cloud color, let's say red for example, or something not so aggressive. And be checking. Let's say okay, and move the cloud scale. There is one I like. This is the okay. Is this layer clouds is different? See, the cloud scale, make it bigger, smaller, the variance. And here you can make the clouds move. For example, if I click here and holding, I move this arrow is showing the clouds direction. See, I am telling what direction they are moving. I'm gonna make them Y, so I can be playing density multiplier, etc. So this is how you make quick changes. So Also for the sound you can add a texture. I'm going to explain you in a little here. And if you click here show beacon, you can see it's showing the beacon where the moon is located. So once you are happy with your settings, the way you want to customize, you can click here. If you click save, it's going to save it. This one you can also rename it here. For example, see, you can change the name, and when you save it, if you click here save, it's going to change here Lalus Sterley modified. And when you right click and apply to parcel or apply to myself, is going to be showing not the other Starley as it was from the inventory. Is going to stay the way you save it. You can also move the moon here. If you click here, see, you can move it any direction you want. And this beacon is going to be helping you to find it, and you can always locate your moon if you want to west or east or south or north, etc., the way you want. So that is a fast way. I'm canceling the setting, and now is back to Starley because I'm not saved. So if you want to, also you can go, if you, from here is a fast way to do things and edit. But also you can come here about land and scroll here, and you can find here this tab environment. As you can see, this is for the second video I'm going to be making. You can use region settings, use inventory. If you click here, you are going to be showing, is going to show you this is the settings where I put the Starley, and this is the library. You can find it here, days, skies, water, etc., and you can choose from here and change it. And also for the next video we are going to be playing with these settings. You can do from here. You can be setting altitudes, different environments, 3000 meters, 2000, 1000 ground level. This one ground level is the same. You can load here and opens the same, and it's going to change. Let's see. Dusty neutral, for example, cowl. Okay, now I apply the cowl here, and you are going to be doing the same. Apply to parcel, save as, apply to parcel, etc., and you are going to be playing the same with the skies the way you want, moving the same as we saw before. I'm going to cancel this. The moon is there with this cowl, and we have here this option for water. So for water, we can also click here. Load water is something we are going to check on the next video, but I'm going to give you a quick view of this setting. But since I don't have here water, I'm going to move to my Linden home and show you there how to do quick changes if you have water in from your land and apply to parcel, etc. So I'm going to pause now and be right back very soon. So I am back now in my linen home. I really don't have water here, but in front of the street there is water, and we can see the changes, how they look. It's up to you. It's up the to the. It's all about the same. If I click land and environment, and if I click, remember they cycle. You choose here the hours, etc. It's for the next video. And if you are here in the in ground level, you can do the same changes, and also can load some sky you want. The one, if you already have made one one sky and it's on your parcel, now you click here inside this water option, and here you have load water, and inside the library environments water, you can be choosing, this is the default one. Library, be checking the one you like. Nakon's water, okay. So you find one you like. Let's see this one, pond, and here you can change the different settings, density, exponent. Let me change this. Load sky settings, no, not this one. I'm going to do here, just to show you from here, I'm going to use, let's see, cowl. Even it's just showing now for me, but you can see the changes on the water. No, because I have here this load sky, library environments, Starley, Verde, Bristol, Dusty. Yeah, from here. Okay, from here it does it's not making the change. So inside the water, you can be the density. See how it changes. The underwater modifier, Fresnel scale. You can just play with the settings as you want. Refraction scale. See, look. Refrain scale below, multiplier. Just play with it, and here you move the waves direction. See, I change the direction. See, and the speed. If I move far, it's very fast. If I get close to the center, it goes slow, 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 and you choose the direction of the water. See, and once you are happy with the water you want, just apply to parcel. You have here apply to parcel, only to myself, or save as. If you click save as, it's going to be saving. Here you change, see, day setting number 1. For example, I have here the cowl, but inside the water I did some changes, and I save like that. See, cancel, and those are going to be yeah, showing in your settings folder. Here is going to be showing. So if you have questions, please ask me below. But wait for the other video I'm going to make, creating a new one from scratch. User setting, new sky, new day cycle, for example. We can click here, new sky, and name it sky 1. And once it's created, you can open and start from scratch. I have I upload just for fun this one. See, I have I need to know where the sun is. Let me see where the sun is and find it. I'm going to make it bigger so I can find it. And you can see, you can be creating your own textures. Make the scale, also change glow focus. Everything you are going to be creating from scratch. And any texture you want to upload. Also, there are another textures you can here, like blank sun. You can add Jupiter, for example, the foul sun, nebula, and I'm going to explain you how to upload these textures and apply here, as you can see, and do your own environment from scratch. So also you can change this, the color, but that's for the next video. I'm going to cancel. And we can spend a few time creating new environment from scratch. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you have questions, please below. I'm going to be happy to answer you, and wait for the second video. I hope this same week. So stay safe, please, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.